Hello everyone, my name is Sidney F.C.R. and welcome to another review video. In today's video I'm going to take a closer look on this Manchester City away jersey of this season 2021-2022. Uploaded customized with the Champions League patches as well as Grealish number 10 on the back. It's the player version, it's from Fofoshop. Before we check it out, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, way more videos in the way. So now, let's check out this jersey. So that's this Manchester City away jersey of this season. Let me know what you think of this one. I personally really like this one, especially those colors in the crest, and the PUMA logo makes it really cool, as well as the cut font, the name and number in the colors of the jersey makes it really amazing. In the next clip I will show you how this jersey fits me. Once again, make sure to subscribe if you haven't done yet. Thanks for watching. See you next time.
You